I'm going to show you reasons why that your YouTube channel should have grown a long time ago. You should have been consistent enough to get this channel together. But these few things I'm going to show you are the main reason why your channel has not been growing. Grab a popcorn and let me show you what you've been doing wrong and why you're not consistent enough to grow your channel.
I have listed them out here and I'm going to talk about them one after the other so you can get to learn what you have been doing wrong and you're going to know the reason why you will not be consistent and be here on your YouTube channel to grow your channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, welcome. I am Yinka Adebayo and I post content that help you with your content creation journey on YouTube and any platform that allow you to earn directly with your content. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting content like this. And to my returning subscribers, welcome. Okay, let's get into this proper. The first reason why you will not be consistent here on YouTube is you're craving for too much attention. If you're craving too much attention, like, oh, you really need people to watch your video, you really need them to like the video. Why are they not liking the video? I have put this out to millions of people's face, and why are they not seeing it? Why is this? Why is that? You're craving for too much attention and you will not get it. That's just it. You will not get the attention you need. So at the start of you creating your content here and being on YouTube, trust me, we deal with it. You can post content, sometimes you have 0 views all through the month. Yeah, that's how we roll. That's how bad it is at the start. I said at the start, right? So you can even post content and you see 3 views within 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You can post content and see 15 views in a month. You can post content and see less more, okay? So if you know that you are here on YouTube and you want to learn how YouTube channel works, you're not supposed to be craving for people or for views at the beginning, okay? What you need to start craving for is how to get things done directly. Now, there are 2 types of people here on YouTube. People that have been here for ages. They have been here since 2019, far away. And their channel is still small. They are posting content. It's only 2 people, 3 people, 15 people that are watching the videos. This is because of so many things that you have been doing wrong on that your YouTube channel, okay? So probably you've been sharing your links around. And if you're sharing your links around at the beginning of you posting your content, you are telling YouTube that they cannot do the work for you, they cannot help you push your content, so you can do it for yourself. Once you drop your content, let the content breathe on its own. Let it breathe so that YouTube can be able to read the video and push it to the people that are supposed to watch it. Okay, so literally there are so many things you can still put in place. Your title, your thumbnail, your the way you post your content. I've talked about lot of things. You just want to go through my YouTube channel and start watching all those recent content from beginning, so you can get to understand why your channel is still where it is after 4 or 5 years of you being here on YouTube. Here you're supposed to have been seeing better things like 100 views in 3 days, all those things. Yeah, so all this being said, I just want you to know that you really don't need to be craving for attention. You really don't need it right now. All you need to do is consistently post good content and let people watch it. So that is what we're going to amount to your growth. That's what we increase your subscribers, increase whatever you want, okay? So second point here on my list is you're worried a lot about your look. See, you want to come to for example, you are into face content like me, you're creating face content like myself, so you still think about your eyebrow, your gosh, like, you're beautiful. Just sit down and create this content and move on, because this is not going to make you to be appearing consistently. It's going to take a lot of your time, and if you're in Nigeria as I am, I don't know what you're doing with that makeup you're having on, no, because there is not even light that you use to fan the makeup, and before you know it, you are sweating. Blah blah. Put whatever you have on, put a light makeup, pack your hair or do whatever, tie your scarf. I may tie my scarf, that particular scarf, I have it here. This scarf, you know why I'm using this scarf? Because me, I believe we set trends. Yeah, that's the part where I'm coming from. I set trends. After been using this scarf consistently for a while now, I have noticed so many people on YouTube, they've started using scarves too. in creating content. I'm just trying to let you guys know that, see, thinking about your look doesn't matter. There's this time of myself where I will sit back, I will think about, I will get bothered about my look, I will get bothered about my hair. I'm not the type that love to slay my hair all the time, because I'm keeping virgin hair and I love the hair to braid and other things. So if you will not start thinking about the way you look, see, my dear, just do it. Do your content, be fast, pack your hair, look good, normal, simple. Just sit down and create your content. That's all you need. Okay, nobody is going to be watching your content and appreciating your makeup or the amount of whatever you have on. If you can afford the time of making up and doing other things, it's good. Just do you. Okay, now the next thing here on my list is you are tagging yourself shy. It's going to make you stay at your comfort zone. You will not be able to be productive as you really wish, your inner self really wish. We that tag ourselves shy, I've removed myself, but we that time, I tag myself shy. But people like you now, when tag yourself shy, there's this thing that used to happen to you guys. There's this inner man that used to speak out, like you'll be hearing the voice, like tiny voice like that you can actually do this. So that is what you are. That's what you are. But the mindset you have, or your belief, you say you are introvert, you're not introvert. You say you can be less shy here, you can be outspoken there. If you're not introvert, you're just lying to yourself. You are shy. So just do away with being shy. Nobody cares about you being shy. If you are shy, nothing is going to work. If you are shy, you will not be heard. If you are shy, nothing good will come, because nobody will listen to someone that is shy, because this shy person won't speak. So that's just the English. Remove being shy. Learn how to be consistent enough. Learn how to come on your YouTube channel like this and create content. Learn how to be comfortable on camera. It's not easy at the beginning, but learn it. And before you know it, first 3, 4, 5 times you've been trying this thing, you become guru. You get used to it, and that is it. You see yourself talking too much stuff. One time you'll be like, you have talked too much here above the time you gave yourself, because you're no more shy. If you are at this part of this video, I want you to like this video, drop a comment for me that you're following, so we can get into the next one. Okay, the next one on my list is you're overthinking too much. Like, I literally thought it's only me that it's happening to, but it's happening to almost some other creators. You want to create that particular content, you overthink it. What are you thinking? Just do it. Do it. Stop thinking. Stop thinking. Like, if you're thinking too much, you don't do it. But if you think less and take action, that's when you're actually achieving something in life. So stop thinking, start taking actions. Okay, next thing on my list is you procrastinate. Oh gosh, you procrastinate. If you're still doing procrastination in this era, I don't know where you want to go to. God forbid, person will go far in life. Procrastination is a killer of destiny. Like, it carry gun like this. I'm here to murder you. Don't procrastinate. See, a lot of things can be happening around you. You can be free in the morning, maybe in the afternoon time, in the night time. Like now in my place, this is the afternoon time, and you can be hearing different sounds, different. I don't care, because if I'm going to listen to all this now, I won't create my content, and it has affected me in the past, because I was worried about the noises around me, because I don't have a microphone yet, which I'm still hoping to get one. Do you get? Because I hope to get good microphone once and for all. So I don't just want to buy any cheap microphone, and at the end of the day, I'm not getting what I really expect. Do you understand? So you want to look into this. Stop procrastinating. Just do it. Whatever time. It's the value you're sharing that matters. Anybody that cares to listen to you will listen, because of value you're giving out. So they don't really care about the noise around your areas. Do away with it. Just do you. Do your content. So the next thing on my list is you are too rigid. With this, you will not be consistent enough. So just do you. So all these things I've said, it will just it won't make you being consistent here on YouTube. You just see that you show up today, tomorrow you are nowhere to be found. It's not because you're being disturbed, it's just because of so many unnecessary things you're thinking of, or so many unnecessary things that you're really putting in place yourself, and they are not really necessary. They're not really necessary. And another thing on my list is you think a lot about the type of phone you have. See there, it doesn't matter the kind of phone you're using. No. So far the camera is working and you can see yourself in that your camera, even if it is not so, fancy. It's not adding too much filter on you. Don't care about it though. Just do you. All you need is little video editing skill. If you need video editing skill, I'll drop the link in the bio so you can go through it and grab the offer. Okay, it's only little editing skill you need to push. With this you can be able to create more content and worry less. Another thing, you're worried about lightning setup. Abba, calm down your nerves. Eventually when you start growing, your channel is going to grow, right? And when you start growing, all these things will come. You put it in place because you want to grow more subscribers, so you want to start working on your lightning setup and other things. The only thing you need is direct lightning. Put your share near it, drag it near it, and let it shine upon you and create your content with God's sake. And you're worried about a triple stand. Put table before you, before your share. If you require you sitting down, put a table before you or stand face. Just hang your phone somewhere so you can have this steady, steady stand. That's all you need. And this is just what is going to make you consistent enough. Because if you are thinking of all these things, oh, I don't have triple stand, I don't have this, no lighting setup. So if you're thinking about all these things, that really doesn't matter. It's not going to add any value to your YouTube channel. It's going to make you stand there. You will not even be able to post any content because you believe what you're doing is not fancy enough. If you're looking into being fancy, YouTube channel is not for you. Go somewhere else. No, wait, just imagine putting a lot of effort, like investing a lot of things in your YouTube channel, on your YouTube channel, and at the end of the day you are not seeing views. How will you feel? So it's better for you to be putting out the content, putting out valuable content for now, and use whatever is free to be used at this moment for you. Use them, implement them, and grow your channel. Okay, so let me know what you think. I have talked about a lot of things here. Craving too much attention, you're worried about your look, you're tagging yourself as shy, you're overthinking a lot, you're procrastinating, you're too rigid, you're caring about lightning setup, your phone, your other gadgets. If you have any other one that you know that this is the reason why we won't be consistent, because we're learning together, right? If you have any other one you want to share with others, you want to share with us, you want to share with me, let me know in the comment section. Type it out so we can also get to engage on it. These are the things that I have thought about, what has put me back sometimes ago. Because before I used to think about my look, I used to get worried about it, but there's this thing I say, see, I don't have time for this stress of making up before coming to shoot a video. That's when I took my decision. So I don't know what you have personally passed through and you feel like this thing is not making you consistent enough. Please don't come and tell us about you not having views. So, I've created this content for you to change your mindset on it. Okay, views will come, but just tell us about some few things that either physical or emotional stuff that you know that won't make us be consistent here on YouTube. And you know it has affected you one way or the other. Let us share together so we can get to learn from each other. Okay, like this video, drop a comment for me, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new here, to join this beautiful community. Are you not glad about what you're seeing here? Are you not glad about what is happening here in my community? Because we still have this aspect whereby we'll get to teach each other about things to know on YouTube. Like we have other classes, separate classes, so apart from what we're learning here on YouTube, and you have this chance to get to me like one-on-one talk on WhatsApp. What kind of YouTuber will give you that chance? Who will give you that chance if not for me, Olayinka? Am I trying to sell myself to you? Yeah, if it is worth it, buy me. Buy me. I am costly, so you know. Okay, this is a big community. Like this video, comment, subscribe, join this community, so that whenever information that is going to help your YouTube channel is passing by, you will not be found wanting. I've taken you to the God section. Okay, thank you for your time. I really enjoy creating this content for you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.